In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now guys, this question does not require resetting a calculator or storing a number. So the question says, what is half percent of 90? Now, all you need to do is to know how to represent this on a calculator to get the correct output. So let's do it guys. We're going to make use of fraction button. So we press alpha window for fraction. So this is fraction, then press 1. Alright. So 1 over 2 is the same thing as 0.5. Alright. So for you not to make unnecessary mistake, just replace 1 over 2 with 0.5 here on the calculator. So we have 0.5. Alright, over 100 times 90. So this is how you can represent this on a calculator easily and get the correct output. Alright, 1 over 5% something as 0.5%. Alright, so let's press enter. The output is what? 0.45, which is what? Option D. So the correct answer is what? 0.45, option D. This is basically how you can simplify this using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. I hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the screen above and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Let's clear this.